afternoon, teacher. My name is Laura Vanessa Osorio, and I will explain the activity. The activity is called imitate the animal. The objective of the activity is that the student knows and can differentiate the animal. The activity consists of the students be divided into two groups, and one group of them will be shown of the cards with the images. And when they see it, the mouse mimic without making any sound. And the of the groups most wets which animal of the above.
Hello, my name is Jesus Bocanegra. I want to explain you how to apply this activity. Okay, come on, James.
Well,
This is my friend James. Hello, James.
hello.
James, what animal is this?
Crab.
How is a crab?
Crab.
Okay. What animal is this?
Elephant.
How is an elephant? Okay, thank you, James. Hello, Sam.
Hello,
What animal is this?
it's a monkey.
Okay. How is a monkey? Yes, I need it. It's the good. Sam, what animal is this?
It's a horse.
Okay. How is a horse? And the son? Thank you.
You're welcome.
What animal is this, Sam?
It's a lion.
Okay. How is a lion? The sound? Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome.